Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display dynamically page title in Elementor form field in Elementor WordPress on page load. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page and this is our Elementor form field. Now you see toward package. So this is our page name. So we are going to display this page name on this field on page load. Now go to Elementor form. So this is the form. So click on it and then you see field, phone, subject, tour package. So click on tour package and then you see content advanced. So click on advanced. So we edit field ID page underscore name. So you can add field ID according to requirement for tour package. So we are going to display page title dynamically on Elementor form field on page load. So edit ID field name and then click on publish. And then we are going to add custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet. And then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now you see select the code type. Now select JavaScript snippet, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title. Then you see code preview. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see page title document.title we are going to fetch in form field and then you see form field page underscore name. So you can add your page field ID. Now go to form. Now you see page underscore name. So we are using this field ID in custom code. Now you see page underscore name. So you can add your field ID here. And then we are going to fetch page title on page load. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, site wide header. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to page. So this is our page name. And now refresh the page. So after page load, if you add this form on another page and then you can refresh the page, then on page load, they display that page name or title in form field in Elementor WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.